So today I want to share with you 3 financial parts so you can fathom where you belong. Alright, so the first is called the side workers. The side workers are people who will always run down to poverty because they lack financial education, they do not have financial intelligence, they are not financially responsible, so they will always turn down to poverty irrespective of the amount of money they earn at the end of the month or the amount of income they have. They will always turn down to poverty because they lack financial education, they have no financial intelligence, and they are not financially responsible. Then the second category of people, or the second financial pathway, is called the slow lane. People who believe you have to go to a university, get good grades, get certificates, get employed. And the second financial part is called the slow lane. All right, so those who dwell in this financial lane are people who believe in the ideology that you have to go to the university, get good grades, get certified, then you get employed, and then you have to save a portion of your income for 35 years of service before you can accumulate some amount of money to buy house, buy cars, and then be able to afford certain things. But you see, this is not realistic because at the end of 35 years of service, you are very aged, you are old, you are not going to have the energy and the peace of mind to enjoy the things you had saved money for. And then two things you should consider is that at old age, it is true that your feeding expenses will reduce, but medical expenses increase. So by the time you are aged, you have to cater for medical bills, and you didn't save enough to be able to afford all that. And you hardly see any of these people being able to accumulate wealth and become financially free. Then the last financial part is called the fast lane. All right. So the fast lane works on the ideology of value. The more value you offer to more people, the more money you make. What this means is that you have to work hard to become valuable. You have to develop on your skills, develop on your talents. You have to gain mastery at what you do, so that the more you become valuable and the more value you offer to more people, the more money you become. This principle literally works on the exchange of value for another value. So you have value, exchange of value for monetary value, and a greater percentage of the people who live in this financial part lane will definitely become rich and wealthy. So guys, take a retrospect of yourself. Where do you belong? Are you on the sidewalk lane, or are you on the slow lane, or are you also working on the fast lane category? Cheers, God bless.